have a NASCAR class here. As Richard Petty's car did phenomenal. 13 top 10 finishes. This is certainly a crowd pleaser. Very famous Plymouth Superbird. Very hard to catch him in the day. 426 Hemi engine. A little Spartan on the interior. Go fast and hang on. This is the Dodge to the Plymouth. Same with the Hemi. They called it Daytona Charger. This wild car is a combination Shelby and De Tomaso in the mid-60s. Not sure how well it did, but wonderful low profile. I think a lot of this was designed by Peter Brock from Shelby, and very interesting car. This is the 206 SP Ferrari. This is one of the CFAC racing Ferraris. Very, very, very different. Pictures of it at Le Mans. There's the business end. This is what Corvette racing looked like in the 70s. Greenwood Corvettes. '54 500 Mondial. This pin and free bodied 500 Mondial. They're early four-cylinder sports cars. Good timing.
Yeah, really. It was off before, but it started sprinkling again, so I put the hood back on.
Exactly.
That's what true genius is.
We open this up, you look at the MG motor.
This is 1957. This is a TRC 500. This is the four-cylinder as well. 2-liter four-cylinder. And they did more than a fair amount of racing in their days. This is Bill Marriott Jr.'s car. This is a 53. This is the 340 MM. We had the 340 America, which was taking this Lampredi engine and putting it in a, call it a street car for the clientele, but this was a pure racing car here. Beautiful. It's Vignale bodied here.
How you doing?
This is 1968 Gurney Eagle Indy car. Obviously one of the early cars. Beautiful. Roger McCluskey qualified the car 7th 500, ran as high as 2nd before DNF'd. Beautiful. Lotus SDP car. Yes, driven by Jimmy Clark. J2X Allard competition car.